I just want this drug for my son Coady and for everyone else that has, because it is progressing a lot. And I already lost one son, and it's just not right. It's just not right for children to leave them suffer like this. It's just not right.
My next guest lost a son last year to Friedreich's ataxia and doesn't want to lose a second.
Coady was my eldest was playing in a soccer match, and I just noticed he was off balance. He just wasn't walking right, running right. They sent the bloods over to the UK, and unfortunately came back that he had Friedreich's ataxia. And then a year later, with Rory, they checked his heart, and unfortunately his lower left muscle in the heart was thickened. The Saturday, the 20th of September, he had a match for Buttevant. He had a great game. Next morning, I noticed Coady was up, no sign of Rory. And that's when I went into his room. And unfortunately, he was no longer with us. He had a severe heart attack in the middle of the night due with Friedreich's ataxia. I'm still in bits with Rory. I'm still grieving very much. I'll do whatever I can to get this drug.
The National Centre for Pharmacoeconomics have looked at it, and they have said that it's just too expensive for the benefits that it brings. And I know that you will not agree with that, and that's what your whole fight is to get this medicine for your son.
Obviously, it's down to money with the HSE. It is a costly drug. Look, if it was your child, what would you do? It's not easy, Claire, to be here every day and to see your son can only walk 10 minutes. He no longer plays with his friends. He doesn't go out. He's just so conscious on himself.
Oh, I can imagine the frustration, knowing that it's there, that you just have to get your hands on it.
There's so much red tape here to get rare disease drugs. Like, it takes a couple of months in Europe, while it could take 2-3 years here to get a drug on the HSE list. Sure, that doesn't make sense.
Did Coady start his junior cert this week?
He did. He started it today. Yeah. So, he's a bit nervous. Unfortunately, he will have someone with him to write for him. He can no longer write. As this time last year, he could write.
Gosh, it's progressing quickly, Craig.
Yes, it is, yeah. I never thought it would come to this. I would never thought I'd be up in Leinster House selling my soul, begging. And that's not right. For a father, I'm begging to the government, Biogen, HSE, just log your heads together. And, we have money for other things and we're spending on it's irrelevant. These are children.
There's loads of messages coming in for you. You won't be surprised to hear that. The only message you want, though, is for this drug to be approved. And I think the whole country hopes for you that happens as soon as it can.
Please God, Claire. Please God.